Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what to do if your 2003 to 2011 Lincoln Towncar is leaking. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share this video. So mine was actually not all the time, but when it would rain pretty heavy, it would dump water in my back floorboard, and I always thought it was the sunroof. But apparently this is a common problem with these cars. I did clean, the sunroof. What is it? The little drains that run down the side of the pillars. I cleaned those, had those cleaned out, opened the sunroof, and you just blow some air through there and make sure they're clear. But this is a common problem. So here's what's usually going on if your Lincoln Towncar is leaking. I'm gonna show y'all. Anytime this valance up here gets dirty or gets a lot of junk in it, it gets clogged. And usually a telltale sign is when you go right here and check this little vent. And I don't know if you can see mine, if I can hold it open. If you see mine, it is completely junk. So that has to be cleaned out. Anyway, anytime that gets backed up, when it rains, water just fills up. Instead of draining, it'll dump. Well, mine anyway, dumps in the passenger side rear floorboard. I'm not sure if that's where it always dumps at, but most of these, I guess it's a common thing with these cars. Really bad design Ford, but it's whatever. I'm not gonna beat up on y'all too much because y'all did make a great car other than that. So we're about to take this valance off and then get to cleaning it. Let's go. Anyway, yeah, this is taking way longer than I thought just because the screw's so long, but you do have to keep turning it. Like I said, the plastic, so I'm trying to be careful with it. Also, it looks like they push right back in, so while you're doing it, you can't really put too much pressure on it, just enough to keep the screwdriver in the screw. Otherwise, you'll just end up pushing it right back in. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, if y'all can see what I'm talking about, look how trash that is. And see all that? That is why we have to clean this. But yeah, so we gonna vacuum all of this out while being careful not to mess with the little vent that's down in here. Also why it's best to use a vacuum and not air compressor, because it's gonna blow air in it, which could blow that vent down into your dashboard. Okay, so now we checking it out. Looks much better. I still gotta actually, detail the car, but currently I'm not, I don't have that much time right now. So I just wanted to take care of this so I didn't have to worry about this ever leaking again. And if you open this, you'll see it is, oh, shoot, can't see it from that angle. Let's do it this way. If you open this, you'll see it's now clean, nice and clean, also clean. So yeah, that's how you fix your problem. Now you can actually see the vent I was talking about right here, the little screen. If you're having a leak in inside your car, it's probably not your sunroof, it's probably this vent. So all you have to do is just make sure you keep it clean. I will be detailing the rest of this car soon, but not right now because again, I'm kind of waiting and strapped for time at the moment. But And I know it's been a minute since I shot a video, but I just wanted to, you know, hit y'all with this little DIY and show you what to do if your 03 to 2011 Lincoln Towncar is leaking. So I'm gonna put this valance back on. Once you put the valance back in place, just make sure it's lined up with the holes. There's only one way to put it on. So once you get it in, lined up, just take your plastic screws and push them through the hole. And you're done. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, share this video. I will be back working on probably this Lincoln again. Most of the parts are coming in for this a lot quicker than, it's my sister, a lot of the parts are coming in for this a lot faster than the other vehicles I'm working on. The wheels are next. So the wheels are already paid for, just waiting for those to come in. Actually, well, technically the top is next. Hopefully that'll be in before my wheels. But the wheels aren't coming until, I want to say, like the middle to end of July. Y'all stay tuned. The audio install might be the next one. We'll see. See y'all in the next one.
When Trump swing and bang, I switch lane to lane, bumping that old school shit. Dane to Dane, purple paint, call it purple rain. I'm on swing, music loud, I'm trying to bust some window panes. No airplanes or trains, just let me grip my grain.